Now, how many pips is here? Depende sa'yo kung i-close mo na. Okay? So, very, very simple. So, hahanap ka lang ng bias on the 15-minute time frame. So, papakita natin sa inyo. Katulad nito, if you notice, this is a 15-minute time frame. And then, we see a couple of greens. Depende sa support or resistance. Example, this is the resistance range. Tapos, may green dyan. Ayun. I would look for a buy. Right now, may red siya because it's actually on the resistance level. Pwede akong mag-short for 15 minutes. Since I have the resistance range already, so maglalahap ako ng short sa lower time frames. But because, of course, may trend ditong pataas, buy na lang yung hahanapin ko sa 15-minute time frame because of that structure. Diba? Mas malakas yung buy na structure eh. Ayan yung trend. Diba? Maghahanap na lang ako ng retest dito na lalabas din yung green arrow dito. So, definitely, this whip indicator is built on a swing trade on a 15-minute time frame, but you can scalp it on a 5-minute time frame. So, lahat ng green ilabas mo. But, hindi yan, lumalabas yung pinakakulay niya once the candle closes. Once the candle closes.